claim that the 1940 National Electrical Code permitted ranges to be grounded by connecting the neutral to the frame is false. The National Electrical Code has never permitted this practice. A separate ground wire has consistently been required for grounding ranges. The idea that a shortage of metal during World War II led to the use of 3-wire cords instead of 4-wire cords is also incorrect. The shift to 4-wire cords occurred in the 1950s as part of a broader initiative to enhance the safety of electrical systems. To understand the requirements for grounding electrical ranges, it's essential to consult the relevant sections of the National Electrical Code. The National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards that governs electrical installations to ensure safety. It's updated regularly to reflect advancements in technology and evolving safety concerns. Grounding is a critical safety measure designed to protect individuals from electrical shock and prevent damage to electrical equipment. It provides a low-impedance path for fault current to return to the source, which allows overcurrent protective devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, to trip and energize the circuit. In the context of electrical ranges, grounding ensures that the metal frame of the appliance is at the same electrical potential as the earth. This prevents a dangerous voltage from appearing on the range's surface if a fault occurs within the appliance. The National Electrical Code specifies how grounding should be implemented for various types of equipment, including ranges. The requirement for a separate grounding conductor aims to create the dedicated path for fault current, independent of the neutral conductor. This is important because the neutral conductor carries normal load current, and if it were also used as the grounding conductor, any voltage drop on the neutral conductor could result in the range's frame being at a different potential than ground, creating a shock hazard. The 4-wire system, which includes 2 hot wires, a neutral wire, and a grounding wire, provides a more robust and reliable grounding path compared to a 3-wire system. In a 3-wire system, the neutral conductor is sometimes used for grounding, which can compromise safety. The 4-wire system ensures that the grounding conductor is dedicated solely to providing a low-impedance path for fault current. The historical context surrounding the adoption of 4-wire systems is also important to consider. While it's true that material shortages occurred during World War II, these shortages were not the primary driver behind the change to 4-wire systems for ranges. The decision to adopt 4-wire systems was primarily driven by a desire to improve electrical safety and reduce the risk of electrical shock. The National Electrical Code has undergone numerous revisions throughout its history to address emerging safety concerns and incorporate new technologies. These revisions reflect a continuous effort to improve the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The requirement for a separate grounding conductor for ranges is just one example of the many safety measures included in the National Electrical Code. These measures are designed to protect individuals from electrical hazards and ensure the safe operation of electrical equipment. Understanding the National Electrical Code requirements for grounding is essential for electricians, electrical inspectors, and anyone involved in electrical work. It's also important for homeowners to be aware of these requirements to ensure that their electrical systems are safe and up to code. If you have any questions about grounding requirements or other electrical safety matters, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician. Electricians have the knowledge and expertise to ensure that your electrical system is installed and maintained safely. They can also provide guidance on how to comply with the National Electrical Code and other applicable electrical codes. In addition to the National Electrical Code, there may be local electrical codes and regulations that apply in your area. These codes may be more stringent than the National Electrical Code, so it's important to be aware of them. Your local electrical inspector can provide you with information about local electrical codes and regulations. Staying informed about electrical safety is essential for protecting yourself and your family from electrical hazards. By understanding the requirements for grounding and other electrical safety measures, you can help ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. Remember, electricity can be dangerous, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. They have the training and experience to perform electrical work safely and correctly. When it comes to electrical safety, there's no substitute for knowledge and experience. By taking the time to learn about electrical safety and consulting with qualified professionals, you can help protect yourself and your family from electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code is a complex document, but it's an essential resource for anyone involved in electrical work. By understanding the National Electrical Code requirements for grounding and other electrical safety measures, you can help ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and any applicable local codes before performing any electrical work. And remember, when in doubt, consult with a qualified electrician.